So no real video today or the last few days. Just been taking it easy. Back's coming good, but still a little bit twingy. So probably just have today off and then get back into doing some work around the place. Yeah, 100% better than what it was a couple of days ago, but still just that little bit annoying. So just take it easy. Other than that, I haven't really been doing much, just catching up on washing, a bit of housework. So I'm on my days off now till next week, so just try and get as much done before I go to work so the missus doesn't have to stress too much. I really did want to get out here and mow and that, but yeah, I'll just take it easy for one more day. I'm definitely going to have to, especially the other side of the driveway there, it's all ankle high already from all the bloody humidity. Yeah, she's been pretty humid last few days, so I don't know if I haven't checked the weather for a few days, but I don't know if we're supposed to be getting rain or not. Yeah, kids have been over here leaving their thongs. Yeah, just been taking it easy, just watching YouTube and doing bulk washing and tidying up, looking after those puppies. Been listening to CB a fair bit too. It's kind of hard to tell whether I'm actually getting out there. I never get a reply, but I mean, I don't have the best antenna either. It's just something I cobbled together. Like it was. I did have it mounted here, but since I moved here, definitely picking up a lot more signal. So if I had bloody 20 or 30 metres of RG58, I could run it out in the open here somewhere, or up on the little red car there. Yeah, I went to the dump store yesterday. Just turn this light on. And picked up most of the intake system for a FG Falcon for the turbo version. So have been slowly getting parts here and there cheap, but that's most of the intake. This main air pipe's wrong. On the turbos and the V8s, they're actually heaps bigger. Like it's probably another inch or inch and a half taller. So that's a non-turbo one. But for $10, you know, because I am going to turbo that one day. Just it'll be like a NA plus T, you know. Like it's only got 106,000 Ks on it, so I probably won't even bother rebuilding the motor. I'll just slap it all together and put a basic, soft, safe basic tune in it and go from there. But yeah, nearly every channel's had something on it most days. It's been pretty good. I had Italy on channel 1 yesterday, day before. Yeah, Super Bowl 6, you'll never get a word in on that.
Hello out there, Almighty.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. I don't know. I haven't checked the solar weather or anything, but it must be a fair bit of skip happening. So that's been pretty good. Just listening to that on and off and trying to make contacts, but again, I've got a crappy antenna. It's right next to the shed, so it's probably not doing any good for it. Yeah. Anyway, I'll jump off and keep going with this housework and try and get it all finished today so I can get out here with the ride on, drop all that shit down and get up the back here. I was going to do the centre bit down the front there, but I'll probably just do this side of the paddock and put a bit of a fire break in along the fence line. I'll probably just tidy that up. Yeah. Anyways, I'll keep on going. I'll catch you later.